What if you could sit down with one of the greatest investors in history and ask him one question? How do you become wealthy? The answer probably wouldn't involve crypto, it wouldn't involve day trading, and it definitely wouldn't involve getting rich overnight. Instead, it would sound surprisingly simple. Warren Buffett has built a fortune worth over $100 billion. Not through luck, but by following a set of timeless principles for decades. Today we're breaking down the 10 rules Warren Buffett lives by. Rules that can improve not just your finances, but the way you think about success. Let's get started. Rule 1. Invest in yourself. Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself. Stocks can crash. Businesses can fail. But the knowledge and skills you develop stay with you forever." Reading, learning, improving your communication, and mastering valuable skills will always produce the highest long-term return. Your greatest asset isn't your money, it's your ability to earn more. Rule 2. Read every day. Warren Buffett reportedly spends most of his day reading. Books, financial reports, newspapers, business analyses. Knowledge compounds just like money. The more you learn, the better your future decisions become. Most successful people don't watch more entertainment. They consume more information. Rule 3. Think. Long term. Most people want results today. Buffett thinks in decades. One of his most famous quotes is, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." Real wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through patience. The greatest returns often come to those willing to wait. Rule 4. Live below your means. Despite being one of the richest people in the world, Buffett has famously lived in the same home for decades. Why? Because wealth isn't about showing off. It's about freedom. Many people earn more, but spend even more. Millionaires focus on growing assets, not lifestyles. Every dollar you don't waste can become an investment. Rule 5. Avoid bad debt. Buffett has repeatedly warned against unnecessary debt. High-interest credit cards and consumer loans quietly destroy wealth. Instead of paying interest to someone else, invest that money into your future. Debt should build assets, not finance temporary happiness. Rule 6. Protect your reputation. One of Buffett's most famous quotes is, "It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it." Trust is one of the most valuable currencies in business. People invest in people they trust. Protect your integrity. It's worth more than money. Rule 7. Don't follow the crowd. When everyone is buying, be careful. When everyone is panicking, look for opportunities. Buffett became famous by buying quality companies when everyone else was afraid. Independent thinking creates extraordinary results. Following the crowd usually creates average ones. Rule 8. Focus on what you understand. Buffett avoids investments he doesn't understand. He calls this his circle of competence. You don't need to know everything. You only need to know your area exceptionally well. Master one field before chasing another. Rule 9. Be patient. The stock market rewards patience. Business rewards patience. Life rewards patience. Most people quit right before success arrives. Compounding only works if you stay in the game. The longer you remain consistent, the greater your rewards become. Rule 10. Never stop learning. Even in his 90s, Buffett continues reading, learning, and asking questions. The world changes. Technology changes. Markets change. People who keep learning continue growing. The day you stop learning is the day you stop improving. Curiosity is one of the greatest competitive advantages you'll ever have. Let's recap Warren Buffett's 10 rules. Invest in yourself. Read every day. Think long-term. Live below your means. Avoid bad debt. Protect your reputation. Don't follow the crowd. Stay inside your circle of competence. Be patient. Never stop learning. None of these rules promise instant riches. But together, they've helped create one of the greatest fortunes in history. The question is, which one will you start applying today? If you enjoyed this video and want more lessons from the world's greatest investors, entrepreneurs, and business leaders, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.